Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Breville double boiler espresso machine. It comes to us with some noises, hissing noises inside it, and when they pull the shot it used to give like weird sound. So when I test the machine I found out like the machine needs a tune-up. It was built a lot of scale inside the boilers and all over the tubes and even at the water pumps. So and also there was leaking from both boilers, mostly from the steam boiler. So I just replaced these O-rings. I don't know if you could see all of these small O-rings in there, maybe just like a lot of them. And I did a tune-up for the machine. I descaled the machine twice. I give it like cleaning cycle. I cleaned the group head, replaced the group head gasket with a nice new silicone one, and a shower screen. And I give a clean, deep cleaning for the steam one. So let's go ahead and test it and make a espresso shot on it. Actually, the machine comes without the portafilter, so I just borrowed this from another machine. These machines have two different types of portafilters, so you need to be careful when you get another portafilter to test it, because like you can break the group head. Let's go ahead and test it. As you can see, there's the pressure going up, so and you can control that with how much finer or coarser and how much coffee ground you have in your portafilter. If the pumps and all the machine works perfect. Yeah, so look at that great shot with thick crema. So let's test the hot water. That works perfect. And the steamer. Okay, the machine functioning perfect. Thank you for watching.